Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about multiplication of fraction. All these questions depend on your book from page number 69. My dear student, your first question is find the value of each of the following. Your first question is 2 upon 5 into 20. You know very well this number equal to 2 upon 5 into 20 we can written as 20 upon 1. So 2 upon 5 into 20 upon 1. You know very well in 2 upon 5 2 is numerator, 5 is denominator. 20 upon 1, 20 is numerator, 1 is denominator. So 20 and 5 both number will be cancelled by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. Okay. Now after cancellation what you are looking in numerator, this is 2 and this is 4. So both number will be multiplied. You know very well 2 4 ja 8. So required answer of the given question is 8. Okay. Your next question is 9 into 3 upon 5. You know very well 9 we can written as 9 upon 1 into 3 upon 5. In 9 upon 1, 9 is numerator, 1 is denominator. In 3 upon 5, 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Okay. So in these two fractions what you are looking, no number will be cancelled. No number would not be cancelled. The meaning is 9 is numerator, 3 is numerator, 1 is denominator, 5 is denominator. So in this question what will you do? Numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. 9 multiplied by 3 upon 1 multiplied by 5. You know very well 9 3 ja 27, 5 1 ja 5. This is 27 upon 5. This is the required answer. But my dear student, you know very well this is the improper fraction, and improper fraction we can convert it to mixed fraction. How? By applying division procedure. So 27 divided by 5, what will you get? 5 5 ja 25, 7 minus 5 2. Okay. So 27 upon 5 is improper fraction. 27 upon 5 is improper fraction, and improper fraction can be converted to mixed fraction. How? After applying the division procedure. 27 upon 5, what will you get? 5 5 ja 25, 7 minus 5 2. So 27 upon 5 we can written as 5 2 upon 5. 5 and 2 upon 5. This is your required answer of the given question. Your next question is 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 4. In this question what will you do? You know very well would not be cancel any number. In this question would not be cancel any number by other number. As you are looking in 3 upon 7, 3 is numerator, 7 is denominator. In 3 upon 4, 3 is numerator, 4 is denominator. Okay. So what will you do? Numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So what will you get? 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7 multiplied by 4. 7 multiplied by 4. 3 3 is 9 7 4 is 28. So required answer of the given question is 9 upon 28. 9 upon 28. Okay. Your next question is 2 and 1 upon 4. 2 and 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 7. My dear student, you know very well 2 and 1 upon 4 is mixed fraction. 2 and 1 upon 4 is mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here. This is 2 and 1 upon 4. It is mixed fraction. 2 and 1 upon 4 is mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here. In this question, 2 multiplied by 4. 2 into 4 plus 1. This one is there. 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 upon 4. 8 plus 1 upon 4. So 8 plus 1 you will get 9. 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4 is improper fraction. Okay. So you know very well mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. In place of 2 and 1 upon 4, I will write here 9 upon 4 into 3 upon 7. You know very well in 9 upon 4, 9 is numerator, 4 is denominator. 3 is numerator, 7 is denominator. So 9 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by 7. You know very well 9 3s are 27 and 4 7s are 28. 9 3s are 27 and 4 7s are 28. So required answer of the given question is 27 upon 28. Okay. 27 upon 28 is the required answer of the given question. My dear friend, all these questions depend on your book. Your next question is, now look here, 2 and 1 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. You know very well 2 and 1 upon 7. This is mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. We will apply the same procedure. How? Look here. 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1 upon 7. 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1 upon 7. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 upon 7. 14 plus 1, it will give to you 15 upon 7. So 15 upon 7 is improper fraction, and 2 and 1 upon 7 is mixed fraction. So mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. Now look here. 2 and 1 upon 7, this fraction 2 and 1 upon 7, this fraction equal to 15 upon 7 into 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. Okay. Now we will discuss about the cancellation of the given fraction. This is 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So there are two type of number, upper number and lower number. 5 into 1 upon 7 into 2 into 1. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 7 2s are 14. Answer of the given question is 5 upon 14. 5 upon 14 is the required answer of the given question. Okay, so your second question is Sonal has 120 buttons. Sonal has 120 buttons. 2 upon 3 of the buttons are red. Okay, how many red buttons does she have? So in this question, what will you do? You know very well, according to question, Sonal has how many buttons? Sonal has 120 buttons. And out of 120 buttons, 2 upon 3 of the buttons are red. 2 upon 3 of the buttons are red. So in this question, we will take out the number of red button. In this question, we will take out the number of red buttons. So what will you do? Quantity of red buttons equal to 2 upon 3 of 120. 2 upon 3 of 120. What will you do? 2 upon 3 into 120 upon 1. 120 and 3. These two numbers will be cancelled. Why? 120 is in numerator and 3 is in denominator. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, and 0 divided by 3, it will give to you 0. So 120 divided by 3, it will give to you 40. Okay, 120 divided by 3, it will give to you 40. Again, what will you do? 2 multiplied by 40. 2 into 40. The meaning is 40 to the 80. 80 upon 1 is equal to 80. The meaning is Sonal has 80 red buttons. Sonal has 80 red buttons. This is the required answer of the given question. My dear student, your question number 3 is each side of a square is 4 upon 5 meter. Find the area of the square. Each side of a square is 4 upon 5 meter. Find the area of the square. My dear student, what is the square? You know very well. Square is a geometrical figure which having all sides are equal. Now look here. Suppose this is a square. Okay, this is the square. Square is geometrical figure which having all sides are equal. Your question is each side of a square is 4 upon 5 meter. The meaning is each side of a square, that means this is 4 upon 5 meter, this side is 4 upon 5 meter, this side is 4 upon 5 meter, and this side is 4 upon 5 meter. Okay, your question is find the area of the square. So area of a square is equal to side into side. Area of square is side into side. 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. Okay, 4 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Again 4 is in numerator, 4 is in numerator, 5 is in denominator. Okay, 4 is in numerator, 5 is in denominator. In this question, what will you do? Numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. Now look here, 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5. 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25. 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25. So area of the given square is 16 upon 25 meter square. 16 upon 25 meter square as the given area. Okay, my dear student, your next question is the cost of 1 kg of rice is rupees 92. Okay, what is the cost of 3.5 kg of rice? So what will you do? In this question we will apply the simple procedure. Your solution is the cost of 1 kg of rice is rupees 92. Okay, what is your requirement? The cost of 3.5 kg of rice will be 3.5 into 92. You know very well 3 and 1 upon 2. This is mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. After converted to improper fraction, you will get 7 upon 2. How? Look here. This is 3.5. My dear student, this is 3.5. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 upon 2. 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Okay. So 3.5 into 92. 3.5 is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. It will give to you 7 upon 2 into 92. Okay. Then after what will you do? You know very well 7 is in numerator, 2 is in denominator. 92 is in numerator, 1 is in denominator. So it is easily 92 divided by 2. 92 divided by 2. After cancellation you will get 46. Okay. How did you get 46? Now look here. This is your rough work. 92 divided by 2. 92 divided by 2. You know very well 2 4 ja 8. 9 minus 8 1. This is 2. This is 12. 2 6 ja 12. Okay. So your quotient is 46. The meaning is if 92 cancellation by 2, if 92 cancellation by 2, you will get 46. Then after 7 into 46. 7 into 46, it will give to you 322. 322 rupees. Okay. So the cost of 3.5 kg of rice will be 322 rupees. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book from page number 69. I hope that all these questions will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.